Hi. I'm just right here, just hanging out, looking for little baby chickens that are running away from me. Yeah. That's fine. Oh my gosh. They ate the whole thing except for the water. So I'll tell you the story. I put a bunch right here. They ate it all. There's only a little bit. They didn't drink it one. Probably like a little bit. Yeah, but that's like probably a little bit. Yeah. Just looking at chickens, whatever, you know. So I'm gonna show you the chickens right now. So the first one is right here. Yeah, that's a mom with 14 kids, about to have 15 because she has an egg. So yeah. Right here is, I don't know their names, but I didn't call them. So right here, like a lot of chickens right here. Roosters. There's even chickens in the boxes right here. And let's go inside. There's chickens right here as well. And there's pigeons in here too. There's more over here. I'll get out and show you guys. So here are 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 7. There's those chickens up there. You can see. Then I'm gonna. Okay, that's not bad ugly. There's like roosters up here. There's roosters like the one that I show you right now. And we're gonna come over here. And we're gonna see more chickens. The little chickens, they go everywhere. They get out of the gate sometimes. They're not out of the gate, but where they live. In the middle house. Yeah, they get out from there. Here chickens. I'll show you. Okay. There are chickens right. Ow, my head. So here, there are more chickens. That one is not long. There's one right here. There. See right here. One right here. And one down here. So yeah. And this one picking out set over there. And more over there. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, those are the pigeons. And there's one up here, but I can't really reach it. Oh yeah, and by the way, there are one time a little chicken died right here. I feel like I hear chicken. Oh, chicken's out! Chicken's out! It's out of the space. Okay. There's a little chicken right there, but I don't really know what mom it is because the first time I saw it is when I think it was born. It wasn't like those little chubby chickens. It was like slimy and big. Like just like that, he was like now. Hold on. Let's see. So there. Well, there he was like that big. He grew feathers, or he only had like a little bit of feathers. Yeah. And there's one hen right here, which is white. I'm gonna show you from front. Right there. You can't see it since they're white. It has babies. Yeah, it's having babies. Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting. My gosh. The little baby just minding their own business. That one's so cute. See, they were about to fight. They were ready to fight. Oh gosh. That one wants to fight. Oh, there's a chicken right there. Look at that one was right aiming at the face. I swear. My gosh. Oh, look at it going on here. Oh, but okay. And that chicken is always stuck right there. I always have to save it. Excuse me? Oh yeah. Forgot, I need to give them food so they won't ask for anything. So the mom chicken won't bite me. Last time I did. Here. Right here. Oh gosh, that one jumped at me. That one just jumped at me. I don't know why he jumped. Don't you dare. I'm trying to save the little chicken, okay? Please move. Oh gosh. There. You're welcome. You want more food? I'm paying for more food. So I can get it. I'm coming for more. More food coming. Oh, he's stuck again. Just gotta give him more food again. Oh, yes, why. Okay, this will. No, I have no more. No, I don't have no more. I don't have no more. Okay, now go. Now. Excuse me? I can't go more over there. The pigeons are gonna like try to attack me. But there's more roosters over here. You get to see the head. Yeah, there's like, look at, see right here. There's two. Here. Oh my gosh. They're always stuck. Oh, baby. Oh, you get up. Oh. Here, let me see food. Guys want food from here? There you go, get that. I'm gonna get some. Give you guys food. There's the water right there. So I give them food right there. He'll always go crazy. He'll probably be okay. Yeah, they always get up. Yeah, he got up. There's chickens everywhere. I told you, they always get out from their place. They're probably giving birth right now to baby. Oh, see, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. Oh, I hear one chirping. Oh, what happened? And the mom chicken's over here, looking for food, and I'm about to get the food. Okay, guys, better not come at me. Gonna give you guys food in a heart. They're getting food. That's fine, right? Yep, they're all eating. They're all eating. See? Okay, that's good. That's good for eating. Oh, fun. Yeah. Oh, the mom chickens are just like, what the heck? What's that? Oh, he cheated her. They can fly. Just a little, for a little while though. Well, nothing to do, so I'm gonna end the video right here. So, hope you guys have a good day. So, this is my first video, but yeah, can you guys give me some subscribers? So, yeah, bye. Love you.